Hello YouTube. It is 11 degrees out here right now. You want a cold start? We'll give you a cold start. It's about 11 o'clock at night. It's snowing. Major's covered. I am froze. It is snowing. And we're gonna cold start him. Yep. Just so you can get a laugh. I don't know if you can see. I've got one of them little headlights on. Yep. Let's see if old Mater's gonna start. Yeah, it's for the love of you all that I'm actually coming out here to do this, because I can tell you right now, I'm cold and I'm a shivering. Not dressed for it. So you'll have to forgive me. I'm shaking, can't even get the darn keys in the ignition. So out of gear. Let's see if she's gonna start. Not been very happy about it. Well, she started up. Not very happy about it, but she started. Nice and snow covered. I'm sure this will be the shakiest video that yins have ever seen, but notice that's what the squeaking is in my shoe. It's wet. I'm trying to keep it running, but old Mater's running. See if he wants to idle. Nope, he don't, and we're not out to warm him up anyhow, so that's the end of that. One Mater cold start. See y'all.